For this one,
Yeah.
we fill up the water first, and then we fill the water up to 700 mils, and then we put the iodine in it.
So we've got some starch in
Going
a
in.
cell made out of diastics, making sure that that cell has been tied off very tightly at both ends. And what are you going to do after you've tied it off?
We put that into the iodine.
Before that,
Oh, we have to wash it.
we'll rinse it off to avoid cross-contamination, and then that will go in here. So how long has this been in the iodine solution?
Or we just put it in.
Oh, like 5 minutes ago? Oh, no.
Mm-hmm.
What are you guys doing here?
So we're trying to like...
So this is dialysis tubing, so it's a selectively
Can
permeable
you pass us
membrane.
one of the...
And now we're just opening it up so we can make the cell. We got
So for the first... Yeah, go
No,
ahead.
no, you go. It's fine.
So for the first one, we put this in an iodine.
yep.
And its color is kind of like changing into yellow, black. Yeah. And in this, we just put it with the tap water in our like inside the bag. We put a glucose solution.
So this is a solution of plain water, and the inside of the cell is glucose.
Glucose.
And then the solution here is,
Iodine.
and inside the cell,
Starch.
starch. Right. So what do you predict will happen?
We are predicting that one of these will swell and the other one will shrink because of osmosis.
Okay, osmosis could be a factor here. Yep. What about the movement of the glucose and the starch? Which do you think could cross the plasma membrane?
I think it's glue
Why do you think that is?
because they're like this one is acting as a permeable and semi-permeable, right? So
They're both semi-permeable.
I mean,
they're
yeah,
both made of
I
the
mean,
same membrane.
I meant semi-permeable. So I'm guessing that one of it can actually go through it because of the chemicals in it, and the other one can't.
Yeah, so think about glucose and starch. Glucose, starch, both sugars. Glucose we know is a simple 6-ringed carbon sugar. It's the most basic unit of sugar. What's it called? Starch, on the other hand, is a lot more complicated. It's a complex storage molecule. This is a bag of a cell of starch in iodine solution after about 20 minutes time. As you can see, inside of the cell has really gone dark, where the bottom has not. So what does that tell you about the movement of iodine or starch? If we know that iodine and starch, when they react, turn black.